Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find templates on CapCut without TikTok. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google capcut.com and hit enter. So once you are here, you simply need to click on templates on the left top, and now you are on that screen. So here you can see search templates. You can capture thousands of free trending templates are just a few click away. Create a stunning video and image with them effortlessly. You can search video and image template as well. So here you can see videos template, and if you want you can search image template as well from here, and you can use that in your videos. So here you can see different image templates. So this is the easy process by which you can find templates on CapCut without TikTok. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.